The North American B-25 Mitchell was an American. The aircraft carrying a payload of about 3,000 pounds of internal ordnance. Many B-25 PBJ models included models such as the F-10 reconnaissance aircraft and the AT-24 crew trainers, and the United States developed as a replacement to the F-4F Wildcat. The grounded Helicat was powered by the Pratt & Whitney R20 double WASP 18-cylinder premium engine, which produced 2,000 horsepower. It was armed with 6, racking up a 19-to-1 kill ratio. Continues to engage the PBJ, the Spitfire, and the Helicat are in hot pursuit as our flight. Painted in the colors, AFB-611, fixed wing Marine Corps bombing squadron 611. Our Spitfire is part of today's performance, built in 1944, and is one of only about 1,000 Mark 14s produced, missing the war in Europe and ending up in India. This aircraft being sold later to the Indian Air Force. Rescued from Bangladesh in 1977 and restored to Chief in 1983. It was brought to the United States by David Prince. The aircraft was sold. Gained the nickname that of treetop terrors from their Japanese adversaries. Coming by now, this North American AT-667. On the right seat of the PBJ, the Hobby Naked was because a long-term aviation started as a hobby, will work his way up in the LA PBJ.